Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to install Elan Touchpad driver on Windows 11, 10. Open any browser, type HP driver, download in browser search bar. Select laptop. Type enter serial number, product number, or product name. Click and expand keyboard, mouse, and input devices. Click download under latest driver for Elan Touchpad. Install Touchpad driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.